Hello and welcome. This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Party company. And I provide solutions to Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads suspensions, ad management, ad support. Even we can help with Google Merchant Center as well. So I'm here with a new case study regarding Google Ads account which was suspended. It was suspended from an year or more. And this is an actually MCC account. It's a manager account which was originally suspended. So you guys can see that how difficult it is for a client on this that his MCC account was not working, and all the sub accounts in it were being suspended as well due to that mistake. So I will be sharing in detail on how we restored and how we help. So for those who are looking for such services, we have been providing it, and this is a second or third time that we are creating a case study on Bing Ads. But we have so far solved hundreds of Bing Ads suspensions. So we have bring in expertise in my team as well. And the main thing over here is that audit of your website, constant communication with the Bing support, because we are Bing certified company as well. So we have dedicated support. So we discuss with them as well on how we can restore. So similar to Google Ads. So this is another procedure as well. So let me write it over here that the website compliance is necessary. Then ad copy is compliance, account profile compliance, and then the billing profile compliance. Okay, so you can see over here that it needed a four compliance, and then constant support with Bing team. Okay, that is the formula. Okay, nothing, this is nothing in extraordinary. This is what we do, this is what we have been doing, and this is what we will do with you with your case as well. In case if you need our services, you can hire me and my team. And I'm going to show you as well regarding this one as well. So this is another successful case study, and this was, you can see over here as well that good this is Joy from Microsoft Advertising. Great news, your account is deactivated. As part of a commitment to safety and quality, we have reviewed the decision to suspend your account and determined it was made in error. We have removed this suspension, and your account is now live and eligible to serve in marketing targets where your content is compliant with policy. We apologize for any inconvenience it has caused. So yeah, I can see where that Chris Joy, Microsoft Advertising support. So this was an MCC, and for those who don't know, it's a manager account of Bing Ads. We can help you in restoring MCC accounts as well as helping you restore in the normal accounts. And we can even help you with the Google Ads suspension, Google Merchant Center suspension. Even we can help you with Facebook suspension, and we also help you in digital advertising management as well. So in case if you need your PPC campaigns to optimize and manage, we help you, and even help in landing pages. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. So this is another successful case study, and I look forward with working with you guys. So yeah, you can hire me and my team, and I look forward working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.